Hi guys, I'm Precious, and today we're making some burgers. First thing you do, wash your hands.
No soap?
I use some spray soap so it can be quick. Oh, you guys never ever clap it, because this will happen. You can bite it in a sticky, picky situation.
So what do we have here?
We have some buns, some patties. No, these are patties, some buns, the onions, the tomatoes, the lettuce, extra garlic, and salt.
Alright. So what's the first step?
Put both of the patties. No, we're gonna need something to put in the patties.
Hold on.
We're gonna use this. Oil.
Just a little bit.
Okay, just
That's enough.
No,
Okay.
go put that in the oil in.
Okay, go ahead. Okay.
And we need to put both the patties. No, I mean we post. We need to use
So why is it?
What are you doing? Salt.
You added pepper to it, so I'm helping you add salt. A little bit of salt to it.
So we're gonna wait for this thing, and we're gonna talk about things. Yeah.
So okay, come on.
God, we need to toast this so weird. Yeah, we need to sing the song. Happy birthday, green guys.
Okay, go ahead.
That thing is pretty toasty.
Yes.
I said a little toast, but mine just took it too far. No, just one body.
I took it too far. What do you mean I took it too far?
What am I supposed to do? I
Yes.
hate tomatoes. We're making the Krabby Patty. Yeah, it's thin.
Then put the cover on it.
I think this is right. Bro, it exactly looks like the Krabby Patty.
Good job, Fresh.
Yeah, now I'm gonna make mommy's.
Don't make mine. That's okay. Try what you made. No, hold on. I need to take a picture. Wow. You do give me a thumbs up when you're done.